Konbanwa. It's just me and Bella today, picking up a few items, and we're going to Daddy's absolute number one, actually second favorite. I don't know. It's always changing. Do you want to help push the cart? There we go. Thank you. If you can go to a co-op, oftentimes they're called health food stores. They source locally, usually as close as possible, support small farmers. This whole produce department is organic, 100%. They get audited, I guess, multiple times a year. I don't know how that works, to test out their products. That's pretty cool. The footprint is not even half the size of a Trader Joe's. So they have to really be choosy and discerning on what products they end up putting on their shelves. Look, even Bella's inspecting too. Are you inspecting right now? Yeah, she's making sure the best stuff is here. First thing I'm gonna get is some bananas. Now, at this place, they give you a banana per kit. So they have what's called the Banana Club. I'll save one for her later. Just put it in here for now. Look at that, that might be one. This is perfect for her. What is it about those onions that you like? Should we get one onion? Okay, let's get one onion. Hey, come on, that's enough onions though. So last time I came here, I showed the raw milk, which some of you hippies like me know the benefits of raw milk. I know some of you are probably a little wary, but it is the best form of milk because it's not processed and it's not pasteurized. Oh, this is a new brand. In a glass bottle, I bet that's expensive. $8.49. Yikes, look at that, 15 bucks. This used to be $13. Inflation. Judy just prefers this milk, so this is what I've been buying right here. Right here. This ultra pasteurized. I know you raw milk fans are like, oh no! If you want to go down the rabbit hole of raw milk and the history behind why we pasteurize our dairy products, it's pretty enlightening, I could say. I take it with a grain of salt because even though I do believe raw milk is better, I don't think that pasteurized milk is gonna ruin your health. But yeah, just do some research, read up on it. I did a whole video on this channel, by the way, with these brothers called the Raw Bras. They're known as the Raw Bras because they used to eat an all raw diet, including, oh no, they started as vegans, raw food, and then they started drinking raw milk. So interesting video. Why do you keep going over to the onions? We don't need onions. Let's go. Yeah, that's your favorite seat. For whatever reason, this cart has a small shelf at the bottom, so it's perfect for her to sit down. See, she's loving that. You loving that? You love that? Favorite eggs. Yeah, gotta check them though. Gotta check them. Hey Bella, be careful over there. Perfect. I need more than 1/2 gallon, so we're gonna try this. Look at this. Just a different brand. Huh. Our favorite brand of yogurt. We got plenty of that from the other day. This is my favorite flavor, the cherry vanilla. It's got big chunks of cherry. Yes? Hey, your chair is really supposed to be up here. I don't think this was built to be a chair. The only downside of this co-op is their meat department isn't very big, and I've been noticing they've been cleared out of meat. I'm gonna make hot escargot today, so I need to get some chicken breasts. Okay, I have to show you something. This is $17.58, almost 18 bucks. I know that's a lot, but those are some pretty big chicken breasts. Sorry, I meant chicken breasts. For a whole chicken, it's 24 bucks, and you get not only the 2 chicken breasts, but you get 2 chicken thighs, plus some wings, and everything that comes with it. So I'm totally gonna do that. That makes way more sense. Way more sense. Plus I can get a whole bunch of chicken stock out of this. So I recently did a chicken soup stock video using a pressure cooker. Don't be intimidated. That pressure cooker costs next to nothing compared to all the benefits you get out of it. $18 versus $22, and you get 2 times the meat. You get all the organs. You get the bones, which you make bone broth out of, and all around better. Yes, it takes more time, but we're talking 30 minutes tops. Do you want this? You want to try this? Grass-fed finished beef. Okay, you hold it. We have to buy it though. Go ahead, hold it. Do you want it? Okay, then we have to buy it, okay? This girl doesn't understand yet. She started yelling. No, it don't matter. I'm the boss. She needs to quiet down. But I knew that this right here would come in handy. So a little baby banana. For that banana club. All right, you can have this banana now. There you go, 2 hands. Is it good? I've been making so much pizza that I ran out of pizza flour. I'm gonna get a couple bags of this. You like Daddy's pizza? You like Daddy's pizza? Yeah, this is pizza flour, 00 flour. It's called 00 flour. This is the first time seeing this brand, vegan marshmallows. That is interesting. I wonder if marshmallows already are vegan, or if these are just made with different ingredients. I think these floors are about 100 years old. This is an old building from the old part of Everett. We're in Everett, Washington, by the way. So I've been eating a lot of honey lately. And this is the brand I tried. So if you guys ever see this, it's really good. I put it into my Gatorade, or my homemade Gatorade. Hold it, hold it, get it, grab it. Go ahead, yeah. Some interesting finds that you typically don't see at a normal grocery store. Creamed honey. Try to get local if you can. This is from Granite Falls, which is 20 minutes away from here. You know what else? Not this. You want to talk about a superfood? Bee pollen. This is coming from I believe the inside of the hive. Super good for you. But as I mentioned, if you have allergies in the summertime, this will take you out. It's basically the same concept as a vaccine, you know, giving you a little bit of whatever that sickness is, so your body gets acclimated to it. But when you take pollen for summer allergies or spring allergies, but it's very good for you. See, what does it say? It says, bee pollen is often referred to as nature's most complete food, great dietary supplement, which may boost immune system and increase energy, lower cholesterol. By the way, I'm not making any claims here. I'm just saying, I'm just reading you what it says. Stimulates organs, glands, aids in cell regeneration. I mean, this is good stuff. I like to buy this from the farmer's market, from the actual bee guy. I don't know, what do you call the bee guy? Is there a nickname for them? It ain't cheap though, but a little goes a long way. I bought one 10 years ago and I still have some. This is a snack always getter. Hey, you want some strawberry fruit leather? You want some snack? It's okay, you want snack? There you go, good girl. The strawberry snack. You can eat this in the car though, okay? In the car. You can hold on to it, and then when we buy it, I'll give it to you. Mommy was asking for avocados, so let's get a few of these funky looking ones. I have a feeling she wants some avocado toast. What you playing with, huh? Get all the citrus fruits. Love it, love it. I'm gonna get a couple lemons. I don't know how this works, but this is the first time I've ever seen shelf-stable miso. Makes sense, but I've never seen it out on the shelf like this. It's always been in the refrigerated section. So I was looking for fried garlic, and they said all they have right now is this fried French onion. But bam! Remember that bee pollen? Dang, they got a big old bottle. That's 50 bucks. That's a lot of bee pollen. Yeah, let's go. Let's go buy your snack, and then you can have it in the car, okay? That's one thing I really miss about not having Mama and Papa around. Whenever there was these ingredients I need that was hard to get around here because we don't live near Seattle. I just go over to their house and they'd always give me a little Ziploc bag full of them. Now it's time for us to stock up on these ingredients. Thank you. You want a snack with that sticker? You're so patient, yeah? Go ahead, put it in your pocket. I'll hold it for you. Here, take your snack. I'll hold it for you, okay? I love how small this place is. I've been coming here for 10 years now. One thing I really value about small businesses is the fact that the same people work there for a very long time, which says a lot about the business. And a lot of these people that work here know all of our girls, have seen them grow up since they were babies. And now Bella, huh? They know who you are. They know who you are. You're such a sweetie. Number one place to get kombucha at a health food store. From top to bottom, this is all kombucha, I think. Wow. I'd say that was a successful shopping trip. Our bill was $77, which is not bad. That'll get us all the way to the end of the week, which is just about before we leave. And some of that stuff we'll keep till after we come back. But that chicken, that was the big savings. I could have bought 2 really big chicken breasts, organic, for 18 bucks, or a whole chicken that already has 2 chicken breasts, plus 2 chicken thighs, plus all the other meat, plus the organs and the bones for $4 more. I'm gonna make homemade chicken stock for the Avocados. So I'm gonna deep fry garlic, make the chicken stock, have all my ingredients ready, and that's what we're gonna eat tonight. And that'll be a good meal for tomorrow as well. Ready to go see mommy? You liking this snack, aren't you? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.